We're just having a moment. It's our last song.
Feeling emotional but feeling like yes, what touch you are.
Kia ora whānau, it is day 5 and today we are working on Haramai Roimata.
Now imagine that COVID strike and the one female you had close to you was your nan. And now I want you to imagine how it would feel having to watch her pass through and you're staying on the other side. Now I want you to sing to her. You can't be there in person, but you want her to hear you.
So Haramai Roimata was composed by me, Tira, Wehi and Mali Sola. That song is close to me because ever since my nan passed away, my mum's mum, I always had the dream to write her a song, but I can finally let my nan go.
Earlier this morning you guys were in the whare preparing and it was emotional.
Very emotional.
It was rather emotional.
I think it was that marae. Haramai ngā Roimata.
Haramai Roimata, oh, they came all right.
Haramai ngā hupi.
What did you add there, Manakio?
Haramai hupi.
Haramai. Your thing looks like a hoopie too. Last song.
My last thing is don't wait. Don't wait for the moment to greet you. Go and get it. Create the magic you want to feel. Create it. Right here, right now. Just the chorus now. Yeah. Keep that energy. And we're there. Beautiful work for whānau. That's a wrap for the choir for the whole album.
Kia ora te whānau, it's day 6 here in Wellington and it's freezing cold.
We finished recording last night. We finished recording last night and now today we're going to be shooting the music video and a photo shoot.
Black and white outfit for today's videos, yeah. And then the second video will be a pop of burgundy and mustard.
You look fabulous. You look fabulous. Have a good time tonight.
Ko tai te wā.
We've never experienced or been in anything like this, to be honest.
Who's the woman?
So this video we're actually doing a one take. So a lot of the prep is the most important part of it, just because we've got to get them set up. We got to know where everyone's got to be. It's kind of like a dance routine, I guess.
From the regions of the east, we have Ka.
We probably had like maybe 30 minutes to film a whole video, and it was a lament, so it was quite a sad song.
There was heaps of emotion, there was heaps of proud moments from all the aunties. And I think we've all done a good job.